What's up guys, my name is Nick and I shoot for Ruroc, and for the past few months we've been shooting lots of moto content around the US, and finally we got snow in Utah, Colorado, and even California. We have a huge week planned in Utah ahead with some helicopters and snowboarders. We don't know what we're gonna get, but yeah, just get some cool content and not really know what's gonna happen. But if you guys wanna come, you can come. To Utah. It's gonna be an epic couple of days if you guys want to come with us, and yeah, we just got here, so we gotta head down.
Hello, welcome to LAX.
The crazy thing is that we were just here a couple of weeks ago shooting some moto stuff, and it was really hot, and so now it's freezing. What's up? I'm here.
Where are you?
Alright guys, we just got to the hotel. Really stoked for tomorrow. We're gonna get everything rolling. So excited, and it's always fun to be out here in Utah, so stoked. I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, let's do this. So we're gonna go on a scout and basically just see what's around. We're gonna go to some of the mountains potentially, and we need some boards, we need jackets, and our helicopter's good to go for Monday, and so that's really good news. So the helicopter's in Woodcross, is that close?
It's north. Yeah, it's not far away. I think like the more exposed, like it looks like the more like cliffside, like jagged stuff, the better.
Yeah, I'll hop on a call with them in a second. We just pulled off to this spot and we're just walking around basically checking it out and seeing if there are any spots that we can ride the board down. Because this is like all a national forest, all the ski resorts, even when they're not running, even when the lifts aren't running, they're open to the public. So that's kind of cool how basically when you come stay at a ski resort here, you're basically just paying for the ski lift. All right, so we got a couple jackets, we have our board, we have a skier as well as a snowboarder. Looks like tomorrow and after tomorrow we'll be hiking to some spots, getting some statics, and we'll, like now that we have some really good skier snowboarder guys, we'll be able to get some action stuff. And then we have our helicopter confirmed for Monday. So that's sick. Up we go. We're gonna head to the mountain. All right, we're gonna grab a little coffee, and then we're gonna meet Jed and Spencer. Spencer's on skis, Jed's on a snowboard. Meet those guys, and we get some action. So we're at the foot of the mountain. We're about to go all the way in there. That's where all the snow is. Okay, I'm pulling through with all the snow gear. We don't have this.
No air blast.
Just hanging around here, saving our lives. Can already tell I'm not gonna be out. Snowshoeing in deep powder at high altitude.
So it's early in the season. None of the lifts are open yet, so we have to hike to get some shots, and there's still not very much snow. I mean, there's maybe a foot, 2 feet of snow. So it's a little treacherous with rocks and stuff, but we're trying to bust out a couple of action shots, hiking to get around the trees, and then just kind of bombing straight to us, and then doing a big left-hand turn. Thank you. Kind of like lean forward and kind of put your hands on your helmet. We got some great stuff. We're gonna stick some GoPros on the guys with the skis.
way to the airport, and the weather is perfect. We are here. I'm so excited.
Depending on what you guys want to do, we can do a single skid landing where only one skid's on the ground, the other one's hanging off.
It's fire.
And I'll always notice the terrain that we're in. I can set it down into a bowl or something, and you guys come walking off the bowl and we'll walk right into these places.
Yeah, and I think like basically that's the kind of stuff we're hoping to get. Is we're hunkered down as you're flying away, like getting a couple different versions. So. Let's just get him rolling up to the heli and we'll find another fresh line.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, let's switch lines. How close can he get? The blades are mad low.
I mean, he'll have to come on the side for sure.
What I'm looking at, dude, is just that I can get all up in these trees, play along this ridge, and then pop out here. We can get back in the heli.
You're good. A couple of shots that we got because we're pretty high up. Challenges. Getting a nice balance between the two where he's doing something cool, but we can also see the product pretty well. So that's kind of the give and take I'm playing with on each shoot. We got like a nice broad scale of things. We got some nice statics where he's standing on top of the mountain where the helicopter's leaving, and then we're getting those heli tracking shots where he's riding down the lines. And Kobe, how low can we fly if we were to track him?
We can fly low, but the problem is that we're dealing with now is winds. So I'm getting winds rolling off this side, we're getting downdrafts, and I'm not able to maintain. I mean, if we were able to get lighter though, and you know, leave a couple of guys here.
Ruroc HQ in the UK. Let's get Kobe a nice Ronin. Gave us a sweet deal. Let's do it.
Okay, thanks guys.
Later,
Thanks,
dude.
man.
Take care.
that's a wrap. I want to say a huge thanks to the people at Ruroc that allow us to do these crazy adventures, and we couldn't do it without you guys. Alright guys, so we just got back to LA. It's a little short flight back to California, and that was one of the craziest days ever. And if you liked it, smash that like button and leave a comment on whatever you guys want to see from us next. And subscribe to the Ruroc channel for more content. I'll see you guys in the next one.